All right, so I just cut some slits into my Hawaiian sweet rolls just like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some pepperoni. I'm using the deli slice, so these are the bigger pepperonis. Look how big and juicy these are. We're gonna go ahead and grab our pepperonis and just fold them right into that slit, just like this. It's gonna be so yummy and so delicious. Let's go ahead and fill up these slits so we can make our yummy and easy lunch. Okay, and you can use whatever meat you like. If you don't like pepperoni, you can use prosciutto, you can use salami, whatever deli meat you like. You use turkey, ham. This is a super versatile lunch recipe. Oh my goodness, this is smelling so good. I know that some people don't like pepperoni, but I'm obsessed with pepperoni. Whenever I get pizza, I do extra pepperoni on my pizza because I can't help myself. I'm super happy with this because it is so easy and so delicious. So I used about 1 pepperoni for each of our little rolls. Beautiful. Now for the fun part, I have some string cheese, and I already opened up these string cheeses, and we're gonna put this right inside of our pepperoni and Hawaiian sweet roll. Just like this. Look how good that looks. Oh my. It's like a pepperoni pizza, but without the sauce. You could add sauce if you want, but I'm not gonna add sauce because I am not a big marinara person. I'm gonna cut a little bit of our cheese so we can sneak it in on the last little bit, but we are gonna go ahead and fill these up quickly with our string cheese. Oh, look at that, it just squeezes right in there. You might need to use a little bit of arm strength because some of these slits are not as wide as the end pieces, but trust me, it's worth the extra work to get this big, beautiful lunch. And I'm using the party size Hawaiian sweet rolls. You could obviously use the regular size and make a smaller serving, but I have some guests coming over and I wanted to make sure I had plenty to serve them. All right, my last half, sneak it right into that pepperoni, and we are almost done here. Now, you know this would not be complete without a little bit of butter. I'm gonna go ahead and move that. And personally, I can't make anything without garlic, so I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic into my melted butter. Yum. Okay, close that up. You don't want any puppies getting that. And give this a good mix so that we have a beautiful garlic butter. Smells and looks delicious. Bring this back over. And we are gonna be generous with this butter because we don't want this to be dry. We want this to be nice and moist and browned and flaky, and butter just makes everything better. So we are gonna butter it up. Just right on that bread, get it a little bit inside the slits too, so we get just the most delicious, crispy and moist bread. Oh my goodness, this is looking too good, you guys. Look how wet and yummy the butter makes this look. And that garlic scent is just, it gets me every time. Beautiful. Okay, one last thing, and this one is totally optional. I'm just gonna do a little sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. It will just sit right on that butter and make everything so good and crispy. Just on all the edges, be generous. And that is looking beautiful. Okay, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and it's gonna cook for like 20 minutes. We just want those string cheeses to melt. Oh my, look at these cheesy bread pepperoni deliciousness. Okay, and if I'm right, we should be able to just pull these apart because they are the little pull apart breads. Oh yeah, okay. Now this is where the cheese is gonna pull apart. I want 2 of these. And look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got myself 2 delicious pieces, and now it is time to try them. They smell incredible. That is so good, you guys. You need to try it.